If you crave fresh herbs all year without a ton of space or fuss, you're in for a treat. We're counting down the top 10 best indoor herb garden kit options that make growing easy, compact, and surprisingly fun. Today, I'm going to be going over the best indoor herb garden kit that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Indoor Herb Garden Kit. This compact kitchen-friendly setup brings fresh herbs to your cooking with minimal fuss, turning any sunny counter into a mini greenhouse. The kit typically includes a small planter, pre-seeded herb pods, a nutrient-rich growing medium, and a compact lighting panel that imitates natural daylight cycles, plus a simple timer to keep light on a reliable schedule. It emphasizes clean, quiet operation and straightforward water management with a spill-resistant reservoir. The design fits neatly under cabinets or on a windowsill, and its modular components make upgrading later easy. Starter seed set covers basil, parsley, and mint, with quick start guides that walk you through weekly care and harvests. Compared to the hydroponics indoor garden, which I have included as number 9 on this list, this option emphasizes simplicity over automation, making it ideal for beginners seeking dependable greens without extra tech. At number 9, we have hydroponics indoor garden. This water-based system uses a circulating nutrient solution to deliver minerals directly to roots, accelerating growth and boosting yields when space is tight. Expect a dedicated reservoir, a small submersible pump, and an adjustable LED lighting array tuned for leafy greens. The setup often features a built-in timer, a simple feed schedule, and a pump that quietly hums as nutrients cycle through gravity or a drip method. Maintenance centers on monitoring water level and occasional nutrient top-offs, with pH indicators helping you keep conditions ideal. Compared to the indoor herb garden kit, which I have included as number 10 on this list, the hydroponic approach trades ease of setup for faster harvests and denser foliage. At number 8, we have Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit. This soil-based starter kit aims at hands-on learning with pre-poured soil, seed packets, and a lightweight tray with drainage. The kit often includes a moisture meter, a compact grow light, and wipe-clean components for clean counters. Expect flexible placement on a windowsill or countertop, simple assembly, and straightforward care routines. Water when the meter reads dry, trim herbs after first flush, and rotate plants to maximize light exposure. Starter kit is gentle to beginners, yet robust enough to support several herbs across multiple weeks. Compared to the hydroponics indoor garden, which I have included as number 9 on this list, it offers traditional soil biology and lower ongoing energy use, ideal for learners or small kitchens. At number 7, we have Ahoop Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics System. Featuring a compact modular frame and a shallow reservoir, this hydroponics system brings adjustable nutrient flow to your counter. It typically includes a control panel with feeding schedules, a timer, and a crisp LED array that supports leafy greens through growth stages. The system emphasizes scalability, allowing extra modules to be added as your garden grows, and emphasizes water efficiency with a closed-loop loop. Maintenance focuses on nutrient mixing accuracy, regular reservoir cleaning, and occasional filter checks. Compared to the Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit, which I have included as number 8 on this list, this system targets higher yields and more precise control, suited for eager growers who want consistent harvests. At number 6, we have Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit. Second starter kit entry balances portability and practicality, offering a compact, soil-based bed paired with a quiet light source and a straightforward watering plan. Typical setup includes a resealable tray, a low-maintenance soil mix, seed packets for a few herbs, and a simple moisture meter to guide watering. It can live on a kitchen counter, a bright windowsill, or even a dorm desk, making it versatile for renters or travelers. Maintenance tends to be forgiving. Water when the meter reads dry, give light daily, and harvest when leaves reach a generous size. Compared to the LPH-SE LPH-SE hydroponics system, which I have included as number 7 on this list, this starter emphasizes soil biology and cost efficiency over automated control, delivering reliable flavor with minimal upkeep. At number 5, we have LPH-SE LPH-SE hydroponics system. This compact vertical hydroponics setup is designed for hands-on control, with an integrated controller that handles light cycles, nutrient dosing, and pump timing. Expect a clear water reservoir, a circulating pump, and flexible tubing that supports several plant channels. The LED array is tuned to blue and red wavelengths, optimizing leaf growth, while a small touchscreen or app-based interface makes schedule tweaks easy. System emphasizes efficiency, with minimal water use and a closed-loop design that reduces waste. Compared to the Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit, which I have included as number 6 on this list, It targets faster harvests and denser foliage for ambitious cooks and compact urban growers. At number 4, we have Planter's Choice Indoor Herb Garden Kit. This kit showcases a window-friendly frame with a built-in tray, simple soil media, and a set of herb seeds curated for beginners. Expect a compact grow light that enhances daylight hours, a moisture indicator to simplify care, and a clean aesthetic that fits most kitchens. Seed variety typically includes basil, chives, and cilantro, with care cards that teach pruning and harvesting techniques. It emphasizes visual appeal as well as usefulness, letting you place herbs within arm's reach for daily cooking. Compared to the LPH-SE hydroponic system, which I have included as number 5 on this list, it prioritizes ease, style, and a traditional soil experience over advanced hydroponic control. At number 3, we have Click and Grow Smart Garden. True Smart Garden, it uses pre-seeded pods that snap into a smart soil matrix and a built-in sensor system that tracks moisture, temperature, and light. The companion app guides you through planting schedules, harvest windows, and reminders, turning herb care into a quick, almost effortless routine. The LED ring provides consistent, low-energy light, and the reservoir is sealed to cut down on spills. Expect rapid early growth and repeatable yields with minimal guesswork. Compared to Planter's Choice Indoor Herb Garden Kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Smart Garden trades a bit of soil variety for automated precision and maintenance-free convenience. At number 2, we have Homegrown Indoor Herb Garden Kit. This kit balances value and practicality, offering a durable planter, seed packets, and a basic lighting option suitable for most indoor spaces. The design focuses on repeatable harvest cycles and steady, manageable care, with a simple water reservoir and clear instructions that walk new growers through germination, pruning, and regular topping up of nutrients. It often includes a compact moisture indicator, a user guide with seasonal herb rotation ideas, and a small tray to catch spills. Compared to the Click and Grow Smart Garden, which I have included as number 3 on this list, it provides a more traditional, hands-on experience with modest automation. At number 1, we have Rainpoint Hydroponic System. This premium, scalable setup brings professional-grade hydroponics into a home kitchen or study, featuring a robust reservoir, precision pumps, and an adaptable nutrient delivery system. The kit usually includes a modular frame, multiple grow channels, a full-spectrum LED array, and an intuitive control panel or app for scheduling light, nutrient doses, and circulation. Expect solid build quality, easy maintenance, and room for expansion as you master hydroponics. It is designed for serious growers who want predictable, year-round harvests and the flexibility to tailor lighting and flow to different herbs. Compared to the Homegrown Indoor Herb Garden Kit, which I have included as number 2 on this list, it delivers deeper control, larger scale, and higher potential yields.